Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, it's your girl Petronella and welcome back to my channel. You have something to say? Okay. It's your girl Abiha. Look, she's laughing. Tell them, tell them. It's your girl Abiha and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Don't do that. Don't, nah. Naka, Putri, Naka. Naka. So, we finally decided to buy my son a motorcycle because it's been quite some time now. He's been pestering us about it, and we decided to buy him. It's going to be easy for me as well because, as you all know, my husband doesn't live here in Pakistan with us. I already sent him on an errand though. We already bought the motorcycle and I sent him. I'm sure you can hear the motorcycle. I'm sure you can hear. Wait. Fiza! Ajabua kolo! Can I sit there? Can I try? Neither. Here, I've noticed also that Abia is scared of the motorcycle. But right now he's going close. I don't know why. I don't know why she's going closer, but... So we have finally decided to buy the motorcycle, guys. It's not brand new, it's second hand, but yeah, it can do for now. He's still young. And here, I'm sure, as you all know, here in Pakistan, they use a motorcycle as a means of transport. But as for myself, I'm scared. Ali is still young, as you all know. He's not even a teenager yet. I'm scared to fall down. I was just trying. When he was young, he used to say, Mama, carry me, carry me. So now it's time for him to carry me. Yeah. I took care of him when he was young, when he was still small. Now it's time for him to take care of me. He's going to carry me. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to let you know, guys, what we've been up to for these past few days that I haven't posted. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Road to recovery, guys. Road to recovery. I like chips. I love chips. I'm going to eat my chips with. I'm going to put my cheese and. Where is the cheese? Where is the cheese? And then I'm going to fry an egg. Yes. Road to recovery, guys. Road to recovery. Road to recovery. I'm going to put my cheese. Abia, don't touch this. Stop it. Leave my phone. It's going to fall down. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Abia, say bye-bye. Fiza, what are you up to? Ali is going to kill you. Huh? KU is going to kill us. Okay, guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. I'm hungry. I just got back from Lamusa. So, you know why Bia is crying, guys. Okay, look. He wants to put my phone on the charger. Okay, Mary put recharge. She wants to put my phone on the charger. Charge, car. Charge. She's crying for the charger, to put my phone on the charger. And she's holding the charger herself. It's not connected anyway. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me finish cooking my food and eat. I'm hungry. Okay, so see you next time, guys.